Hi, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can perform some basic calculations. So let's get started. Here you can see we have two columns. One is a student and their marks. So first we learn how to do addition in Excel. So first sum of a column in Excel with one click. This is one of the fastest way that we will use to find the sum of a number. So what you have to do in this, if you want the sum of this column, select this column and here you can see the sum. So it will quickly display the sum of the selected cell in the Excel status bar. Suppose you want to get the sum of the last three rows. So here you can see the sum of the last three selected rows. So this method is quick, but there is a drawback of this method. The drawback of this method is that it neither allow you to copy or nor show numeric digits. It just display the sum. Now our second method to get the sum of a number by using sum function. So if you want to sum up all these numbers, so here write sum. So click on the cell where you want to sum up the number. Start the formula with equal followed by sum. Then we select the cell and then press enter. Here you can see the total. So this is easy method commonly used to find the total in Excel. If you want to find the total in Excel, use sum function. Now the next method is Autosum. This is one of the fastest method to get the sum of the number. What you have to do is select the cell and then click on Autosum. Here you can see the sum of the numbers. This function is similar to the sum function. Now next we will learn how to do subtraction in Excel. So for this what you have to do is first we type equal, then we select this first cell minus second cell. So I want the difference between the marks of Mother and Rupam. So here I select cell B2 and B3 and then press enter. Here you can see the difference. This is how you can perform subtraction. So now next calculation is average. How to calculate average in Excel. So in general, how we find the average of a number? First we add all the numbers and then divide it by the count of the numbers. So here first we add all these marks divided by the number of students. So for this what you have to do is select the cell where you want to show the average of the numbers. And here we write the formula to get the average of the marks of a student. So we start with equal and then first we get the sum, start with equal and then we get the sum of these numbers divided by the number of students. So for this here I am using count function. And then press enter. Here you can see the average of these numbers. And the quick way to get the average of these numbers, select all the cells and here you can see the average. But as I said earlier, the disadvantage of this method is you cannot copy this average. Now next way to find the average is using average function. First we type equal and then type average and then we select the cells. Press enter. Here you can see the average. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share your feedback in comment section. Thank you.